Alright, how's it going, YouTubers? Thought I'd do a review here of the LED lights I just got for the bike, which, in my opinion, are badass. Yeah, boys. And the rim tape. I don't know if you guys can actually see the rim tape or not through the camera, but it looks pretty cool. They definitely reflect really good. Headlights, lights, everything. Love my new seat, man. That seat totally gets rid of all the fatigue you have from blood circulation issues like I did, you know, going down the road. Even for riding for 15 minutes, man, I would start to lose all kinds of feeling in my, you know what, my junk, my perineal area, they call it. But anyway, look, this LED kit that I got is called the Op 7. It's from Amazon. This thing is totally freaking awesome, man. Check it out. Oh, I can actually see the strobing there, like the camera shutter speed actually kind of meshes with the frequency of the LED there on the red. Let's see, green, blue. You got all kinds of different colors, and then not only that, which that's illegal to actually drive around with, but you got orange, you got yellowish color. This is actually like yellow right here. There's yellow, green, blue, like a really light Tron type blue there. Let's see, and then this one, more of a greenish color. This one's more green. And there's green, actually. There's full green. That's full blue. Then purple, lighter purple. Oh, the frequency is almost the same as the red there. And a pink. That's pretty good for the girls right there. But I actually like the white, believe it or not. White looks cool. I actually like the white, which kind of just gives it a little bit of glow to the engine at night. And I also like this color here. It's kind of cool. Even though my bike has a lot of red in it, yeah, I don't know, it just looks cool, kind of Tronish. So anyway, definitely recommend putting them in there, guys. It was not too bad. It really wasn't. I got two up under the, I don't care if you guys see my license plate. I give a shit less anymore. So anyway, yeah, I got two up under the seat there, not too close to the exhaust. I got one close inside the fender here, one right in there, one right up in this area right here. Okay, and then also have two in the front. I don't know if you guys can see those or not, but they're right there, and they are holding pretty damn good, man. I was out there speeding like crazy today and they didn't budge yet. So yeah, like I said, I have another one here, and then another one here facing down this way, and another one, you might be able to see it down there on top of the this is the only one actually mounted to the fender itself, facing up. I was going to face it down, but there's really no room on the bike to do that. So what do you guys think, man? I think it looks pretty badass. Let me turn the bike on. Just give me a second, guys. I don't think I even have it in neutral. Usually when I park the bike, I've tried to get into the habit of leaving it in neutral, but the only bad thing about doing that, though, is that the bike, if you park on a hill, man, it really wants to pull forward, so I don't like that. Started. Just thought I would show you what it looks like with all the lights on, including the LED headlights that I just got, which are freaking awesome shit. It looks so freaking beautiful, man. It really make this bike pop big time. I love this freaking whole setup. I don't care how cliche or cheesy it is. You know, a lot of people might think it's just a little cheesy to have that. You know, I don't care what you think. I really don't. Oh yeah, by the way, you can change the brightness of the lights. So as you see, I actually turned the white. It was down. I actually turned the brightness down on them. So now I just turned them up. So now you can really see them. But anyway, yeah, that's that. You got red, which is illegal to have, of course, which sucks. Turn the brightness up on those. And see, this color or this color, they're both similar. This one's more blue, of course. That one's more green, which is might be able to get away with driving around with that. I don't know. CBR tank pads, which I used 3M tape to actually put on, because the tape they give you, the sticky tape that they give you, is shitty. It fell off within like 2 days. But just 3M tape, man, I've had it on there now for like 2 or 3, just 3M tape right here. I took it all off, put 3M double-sided tape on it, had it on there for 2 weeks and it hasn't fell off. But definitely, man, guys, get this seat. Get that seat if you have the same problems I do with circulation issues. Grip puppies, I love them, man. They're awesome. Yeah, boys, love it. So, anyway, yep, that's my review of the LED lights and their rim tape and the seat. The tank pads is all I've done for it. Done with it so far, so I'm gonna get back to riding here. So I'll kind of maybe do a trip home or something and show you guys my first moto vlog that I'll actually upload. So anyway, see you guys in a bit. All right, here we go. About to head on home. Thought I would do my first upload. I guess I'll upload this video. I'm definitely gonna upload more. Now that I got the audio fixed and everything like that with the Purple Panda situated in the GoPro, if you guys are wondering, if you guys are having problems with your microphone and the GoPro of crackling and popping noise, I guarantee you it could be a number of problems, okay, because there were a number of different issues I've tried, because a lot of people had a lot of great ideas, but the one that worked for me, all it was because I left the Wi-Fi on. If you leave the Wi-Fi connection on while you're recording your microphone, there is interference with the GoPro Hero 8 and it will screw up your entire freaking audio. And it did that for months for me. I couldn't figure out what the hell was called. You go over a certain speed limit and it would happen every time. It would ruin your audio. So anyway, guys, yeah, I love this freaking bike, man. I gotta get home because I actually still have a tinted visor. Oops, I got a tinted visor on. I gotta get home. I don't have my clear visor with me. I stayed out a little longer than I should have, but I mean, I can still see clearly as long as there's street lights and all. So I'm heading back to the house now, guys. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more because I'm definitely going to be uploading more videos soon. Peace.